Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this super simple pink and purple halo eyeshadow look. So if you'd like to see how I create this look, keep on watching. I swear one of these days I'm going to use a different palette, but today is not that day and I'm going to once again be using the James Charles and Morphe palette. I'm going to start by taking Skip. Just kidding, I'm not starting with that. I'm going to start by priming my eyes. Today I'm using the e.l.f. eyelid primer, and this is a translucent primer. If you know of any eyelid primers that aren't translucent and are relatively inexpensive, please let me know in the comments. Now that the eyes are primed, I'm going to go into Skip on this fluffy e.l.f. blender brush. I'm going to start by stamping it onto the outer corner and work my way in. Now that I'm getting closer to the inner corner, I'm going to start sweeping it into the crease, and I'm bringing it all the way down towards the inner corner of the eye. And then just using this same brush to blend the edges. I'm going to take this lavish tapered blending brush. I'm going to pick up some of this lighter pink. This is Pinkity Drinkity. And I'm just going to use that to blow out the edges even more. Keep them from being so harsh. Now taking a collab crease brush, I'm just going to dip back into Skip and deepen the crease up even more. Taking the same brush, I'm just going to bring that shade all the way down onto the inner eyelid. Because we are doing a halo eye look, we do want to bring that all the way onto the lid. And then I'm going to go back in with this brush and Pinkity Drinkity and once again help blend those edges out just to keep everything soft and not harsh. Now I'm just going to take some Tarte Shape Tape and my trusty concealer brush. Place that on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to cut this crease pretty high up, I think. So I'm just going to look forward, and look up a little bit, and then I'm just going to follow that to carve out the halo. And I'm going to go kind of wide with this just so that way I can make sure everything ends up looking nice and even. Now I'm going to take this lavish eye shading brush and go back into Skip, and then I'm just going to soften the halo edges above the crease. Not working at all on the lid, just above the crease. Now I'm going to take this same brush and I'm going to pick up Love That, this shade right here. I'm going to use this one to soften the edges on the lid. And I'm also going to work my way up toward where we blended out with that pink shade just a second ago, and I'm going to make sure to blend it into the pink that we first placed down. Taking a Luxie 245 small shader brush, I'm going to pick up this shimmery purple here. And then I'm going to pack that onto that leftover concealer and blend outwards. And I got quite a bit of fall out, so now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and sweep it away. For the lower lash line, I'm going back in with that collab brush and the shade Skip. And then I'm just going to smoke it out. And that is it. I'm just going to quickly do the other eye off camera. I'm going to finish the look off by tightlining my eyes using the Pixie by Petra in the Silky Eye Pin in the shade Deep Plum. And then I'm just going to take the shade Face to highlight. Now I'm just going to quickly apply some lashes off camera. So that's it for this super simple pink and purple halo eyeshadow look. Be sure to hit the like button if you liked this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!